Over the next few minutes, we will explain how price checks work and we'll show you how to set them up. We use the item pricing screen to optionally define the valid upper and lower limits of an item's price range. It can be useful to ensure that an item is not sold below cost. Price checks can be made against unit price or sales margin. The system is flexible enough that it allows you to assign different price check ranges to different users. Let's see how to set up price checks. From Inventory Control, go to IC Items and Price List and select Item Pricing. We enter the item number and double-click on the price list that we want to attach the price check to. We go to the Price Check tab. By default, the price check type is set to None. This means no price checks are enabled for this item. The other options available are Warning, Error, and Approval. The warning option means a warning will display if the price is outside the desired range. However, the user can continue using the price in the transaction. If error is selected, an error message will display if the price is outside the desired range. The user will not be able to proceed using that price. If approval is selected and a price is entered that is outside the desired range, a user with approving authority will have to manually approve the price. We'll select warning in our example. The check can apply to the unit price or to the sales margin. The check can be based on the cost plus a percentage, cost plus a fixed amount, or on a fixed amount. For these three options, we will need to define the lower and upper limits of the range. We'll select cost plus a percentage. In the cost base, we specify what the system is going to check. The options are markup, standard, most recent, average, and last unit. If you have alternate costs defined, they will appear here as well. For example, there is an alternate cost called landed. We'll select most recent cost for our example. Finally, in the details section, we'll specify the price checks for the various users. First, we enter the information for the default user. These values are used when the system cannot find a specific user for which price checks are going to be made. In greater than percentage, we enter the lower value of the range, in this case 20%. In less than percentage, we enter the upper limit of the price, in this case 50%. This means the price must be between 20% and 50% above the most recent cost. After entering the price check information, click Save. The price check information can be added, edited, or deleted at any time, and then close the window. Now please pause this video and open the document with the exercises. This document can be found in your learning package on Sage University. In order to add a price check, complete exercise 3 from the item pricing lesson. Were you able to add the price check information? Congratulations! You now know how price checks work and how to set them up.